So the last section, create master documents with and subdocuments. Choose blank document, and then you'll click view and make sure you're at 100% and choose outline, and then show document, and then click insert, and you want to open the one that you just saved and submitted, Rising Workshop Prices, so go ahead and find that one. It's asking you if you'd like to rename the style in the subdocument. Select no to all. And you're going to click insert again, and you're going to look for info sessions 2. And the same thing, no to all. And then control home. In the master documents, you're going to click the collapse subdocuments button. And we'll click OK. Do you want to save the documents? OK. And then you'll save this. So right now, both of these documents are hyperlinks. So hold Control, and we're going to select the info sessions one on the bottom. So hold Control and click. And this is the info session one. And we can go ahead and close it. And then click expand documents so you can see all of it. And then we'll scroll down to the information sessions document in the second section, so it's underneath. And then we can click everything, select everything in here. So it's everything in the second section. And then we'll choose unlink. And then we'll scroll up and we'll select the increasing workshop prices, this document. And you can do it by clicking this little button right here. It does it for you, everything. And we'll choose lock document. And then click any word in the document and try to type. It's locked, so you can't type anything. And then we'll click the File tab and choose Info, and then select Protect Document. In the Protect Document, choose Mark as Final, and choose OK, and OK. And then you can click the back arrow, and you can submit this one. Thank you.